I was wondering when my mic was not working. Alright, we're gonna retry this. I'll do a lab session. It's NFP. Or not NFP, but the day before. Man. I want this before I want to see any shorts. So we have 927. ES is actually really... I think ES actually might have some T... What is this high? Yeah, ES is definitely SMT and some highs here. It's probably 30 minutes. There is not. It's an hourly too. That's easy. It should be pretty fairly easy this morning. Let us see though. We're gonna keep trying. Man. So we're gonna go 2 micros, 2 minute entries in. Yeah, I like that we took this out. We're at CE of this order block. We're at this big inversion here. CE is probably right here. We pulled up as well. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, I like the continuous chart. Not a big fan of fair value amps. I mean, I love them, but like sometimes they're just not very good. I like what we're in on a daily though. We just we took all this, leaving all of this. We did our whole fuckery up here. Yeah, it looks clean. I don't think we're gonna probably reverse and go down. I don't think that makes any sense. Maybe it does. I don't know. I think we could run all the way down and fake everybody out. But like, if I was going to have a decision stone cold, I'd want to see either this swept at 9:30 and leave this. So you're basically using this breaker here. That is what I would like to see. So this is what I do. I go and put on this and see if I can get a 1 micro because my R is really nice. I'll put a limit there. See if we can get that very tight because just in case it wants to just stab or jab this. Yeah, honestly, we can put that up just in case we don't want to get filled. But let's see. Yeah, this account is correct. I'm a big fan of trading every account before NFP. I'll trade one. Just, you know, get the toes in the sand. I like this. We're gonna run this out, or we're gonna respect this thing right here. All right, we're just probably gonna run it all out then. Okay. I'm gonna buy one more here. And have a stop here. And trade the level. I really don't think we should run down. I think this is a sweep. If I've ever seen it. Probably should have took it. Yeah, I could have done a little bit better with the limit there, but we're down 50. It should absolutely gyrate up right now. I should have took it. I didn't think we'd drop like that, but yeah, whatever. Let's see if we can run up and tap that. I really don't see us dropping, but we're doing well. Yes, I do have delay. Let's see if we can respect this 30-second here. Did equal highs, so we can respect it and have this continuous trend and see if we can get above this. Nope, we're not respecting that. So we're gonna leave it. We're gonna drag it back down because that doesn't look like we want to respect it. It looks like we want to do another manipulation move or something. It should be 3R. Okay, we did want to respect it. Shocker. There must have been a 15-second in there. Yeah, that 15-second wick is nasty. Did we get above this? I want to be break even by the time I hit that gap there. And then ES is probably gonna see if we can move the break even there and have this be our holding spot until we reach this up here. And Q took that out. It should just be a sweep running out like very like just went like. Yeah, I didn't know we'd run that far. ES probably didn't. Yeah, ES did not at all. ES has some teed though. I want to see continuous expansion though. This is our trouble point right here. Yeah, this is a beautiful breaker though. I do like that. And Q, and Q. I'm gonna probably put it there. Just because ES doesn't look too clean. Incident versus this. 17 seconds. 33. Yeah, now it's inversed. And inversions have been hitting today. Should hold that. Yes, still hasn't taken it out. Yes, is very close though. Beautiful. That's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Now it's what do we want to do here? I was gonna target that, but I'm like on a 15-minute. That's the C of this wick right here. Yeah, I don't know. ES. If I took that on ES, it would have been actually the lowest drawdown ever. But so where was that? Yep, ES was perfect in the delivery on the low I wanted. So it would have been that is what I was hoping, but NQ overextended as it does normally. This should be IOFED though. Straight to that high. Should have pyramid a little bit more. All good. Sure, our P&L should be not bad. 153, not terrible. 1 mini or whatever, 1 micro. It's not terrible. Not terrible. Now is the real question: do we want to rally, or do we want to start reversing? I like us to create a breaker here, and I'm going to take that back down to somewhere in here. I don't like that. I want to see it rally up one more time. 15-minute equalize. Yes, no, sir. This will be a magnificent breaker, though. Absolutely magnificent. This inversion really doesn't make sense. I would like to see it. The 30-minute could be held, but we did our 30-minute range hourly right here. I would like ES to bump the high one more time, to just bump that 15-minute, because I don't know if it's as, yeah, no, it's not. And then that'd be a beautiful trade. So I can't make sense of this working here. It does great, but not a fan of it. It should be the breaker though, while US pushes up one more time, as it looks like it wants to do, and that'll be absolutely nuts of a trade. That'll be a beautiful trade, which I might even be interested in taking on live accounts, just because that is a really good breaker. I think I might actually put up equity for this. What the fuck? Lucid trading. Fucking being stupid as hell. This is a beautiful setup. Like, this is just mint. There's issues connecting the trade of it, as normally there is for Apex. That is gorgeous. That is fucking gorgeous. I need to get on these counts here. Oh, we're gonna just print out, aren't we? One micro. Perfect, 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 perfect. Alright, we got it. This setup is fucking gorgeous, like, for real. Like, that is just, nothing, I can't even, there's nothing bad I could say about this at all. It's gonna be a 1 minute, but that is literally verbatim a model of joy. Now the real issue is, can we get good risk? Which it looks like we can. Yeah, that's pretty good. Wait, news today? Because this is like the best setup I've seen all week. Like, if it could confirm it, like, it's stupid if I don't take this. Like, for real, that is a fucking gorgeous setup. Like, oh my god. Like, I am actually A-okay losing money on this. I have yet to see a breaker that does this beautiful, like, just delivery beautiful. I don't know why it's the day before NFP too. I'm shocked. Like, it's hard. I can't not take that, even though like it's not technically. I don't like going against in like one of my rules, like where it's like don't trade on NFP or the day before NFP, because it's normally pretty shitty. But like stuff like this is just I can't overlook this. Like this is very, very fucking clean. Like absurdly clean. Once it develops, though, we'll see if it's going to develop at all. But which we shall know pretty soon. We touch this, so that should be our first rejection. Whether or not we get the whole run here doesn't really matter to me. We should still run to at least this rejection block is my thinking. I just need to see it pounce through this. We did not close through it, so. Not very good. And it's SMT, so. I would like to see it kind of run through it. 14 seconds. Oh man, that dropped. I don't think we'll get filled on this, to be quite honest with you. Beautiful. I will take that any day of the week and lose money on that any day of the week. I will take that any day of the week. I do not care. That is a beautiful textbook setup. I've been getting ripped on these textbook setups, but like that is just can't ignore that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I actually am leaving more room on this one than I am the other one. Where could we run to is the real question. We leave equal lows, so we'll run to that rejection block. check ES. Now, where is our break even here? Because I don't think we should run all the way back up. Like, that doesn't seem very intelligent for MQ today. Honestly, I think we can get a low. That is a gorgeous setup. Now that is a fucking gorgeous, gorgeous setup, man. Like, that is gorgeous. I only targeted the rejection block, which is that 30-second order block. Because that is, like, in all reality, I don't fuck with that. Like, I've gotten reversed on this about 35 times. I couldn't give a shit less if it runs any lower because my RR was fucking really good. So my RR was here, stop here, targeting that was 2.6. Okay, I don't need that much. I don't care. Because that's exactly, literally verbatim why I like higher RR, which is, you might not even like this as higher RR, but I'm risking $50 a trade on all the fundeds here. So, I don't give a fuck what you have to say. You could have held on to the low and got a 4R. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. That is probably one of the best breakers I've seen all week. Like, not even gonna lie. It should have printed on all of them, though. We had a pretty decent 3 trades, 1 loss, 2 wins. Net R is probably... yeah, net R is pretty good. 1 micro, too. 1 fucking micro. So we're up about $241 on 1 micro. Risk was 50 each. Pretty decent. Pretty fucking decent. Even though I'm kind of killing myself because I should have just held on to this because this is a really good setup. But we I don't know why it said the one. Oh, we did hit it. So I took it off at the rejection block. Just because that's a nutty rejection block. But I guess we are gonna. I don't think we're gonna run. I don't know. That's a good question. I don't have a lot of faith on these days that are like before NFP. It's just like I don't have faith in that. Even though I'm watching it just absolutely mongrel its ass down. I don't have any faith in that. I don't know why. I just don't like. I don't like it. Like, I don't know. I don't know what it is, but normally it does not show price action like that. Even though that was a very nice R if I hold on for that. But you live, you learn. I got 2.67 on that one, and then another one, so I don't want to be over extension. I really still think we probably could run up, but yeah, whatever. I think this is our first stage retracement, and then we'll end up running back up. Actually, not even taking that low. I just didn't think we'd run back all the way up, to be quite honest with you. I really don't think we should run back up, but I guess I should. I think this is gonna be a nasty chop, but I don't care. I got my piece of the pie. I entered really late on this though. I got in on the 32nd though. That was fucking gorgeous. Oh my god. Yeah, now they're SMT'd. I didn't really think we would run the low out. That's shocking. I thought we'd held that. This is tricky. I could see it flipping, but also this is a short-term retracement, so like I could see longs printing from here and going back up and actually sweeping all the buy side out. So it's gonna be choppy, but you gotta know your shit. I guess I'll call it there on this day. I don't want to overstay my welcome. Beautiful fucking day. Overall R is 3.9, so or almost 4. We'll just round it up. Yeah, why not? 4R. 4R on NFP day. Guess what? I target the same shit. I target literally not even a lot of points here. Y'all are gonna get cuffed. They're gonna be like, why didn't you hold on? I don't need to hold on. My R is too good. Like, my stop loss placement is unmatched. It really is. It's literally at the body of this candle. Like, I don't need to hold on for shit. I get 2.672. As long as I'm in between 2.5 and 1, I'm fucking happy. Yeah, we're doing what I thought. Just a retracement. Alright guys, hope you guys have a good rest of your week.